everyone. So welcome back to the journey of understanding the Docker. So today we are going to discuss how do we install Docker in our operating system. I have just put up basic information over here, like in whichever platform you are. Let's say you're using Windows operating system. What is the package manager you would be needing if you are in Linux? What is the package manager if you are in OS? What is the package manager you would be needing? So in Windows we have Winget as a package manager, Jollity as a package manager. We can use that in Linux. We can use apt. In macOS we can use brew, and then by using this package manager we can search for this particular Docker there, and from there we can fetch Docker CLI and Docker Desktop, and we can do the installation. And to validate it, we just need to type Docker, and if that command tells us all the commands and the version of Docker, that means Docker is installed in the system. So let's see real quick practically how we can install the Docker. So let me bring up my shell command prompt here. So you see I have shell open here, but I'll be logging it as a PowerShell using this. I'm in administrative role here. I'll just close it. Now in order to check whether I have a Docker installed, there is command like you can type in Docker. You see right now it is showing like the term Docker is not recognized. That means Docker is not installed in your system. Or you can say Docker v version. That should also give you the version of Docker. So right now Docker is not installed. So as I told you, it's a Windows operating system. So what is the package manager I need to use? I would be using Winget here in my case. So let's see, Winget is installed. You see it showed me all those commands. The moment I type Winget, that means Winget package manager is available here. I can use this command Winget search Docker. So what this command will do, it will search Docker across the net, and it will tell me, it will fetch all the details like if Docker is available. So you see it has given me this much of data. So out of it I can just pick Docker Desktop, and it is from which ID, docker.docker desktop. So I'll just pick this up, right? And I can say Winget install. Pretty simple command in Docker Desktop. Let me move this around a bit, right? And I'll just click enter. I just press enter, and we should see the happenings very soon. So it is started downloading. It will take some time. So see, finally it's getting over. It's almost installed. It will take some time, depends on the network speed you have in your laptop. So it's almost over. So you can see finally it is saying successfully installed. So we can verify it by using I can type in Docker Desktop here. So yeah, click on accept, and then you have to enter your whatever email ID you want to register with. Bring up Docker Desktop, and it'll ask you, give you some survey, so you can mention what kind of role you have, or you can skip it. It is starting the Docker engine. So now this is the basic UI of Docker Desktop. We will understand it a little later, but yeah, for now Docker Desktop is installed. And one more thing we need to check here, we need to install Docker CLI. So again, for that, as you can see, it is written here Docker CLI. So we need to just copy this ID from here. And if you want to check whether Docker is installed, no, it is still saying Docker CLI is not there. To install it again, that's the same thing. You can say Winget install Docker CLI. You click enter, and it will install it for you. So you see, it is saying successfully installed. Now you have to check. You're typing Docker. It should show Docker actually. Let me see. Okay. So what I will do, I will just open the fresh command prompt here. I'll close this one. I'll type in Docker here, and I should see, yeah, you see the Docker has been installed. Let's see all those commands that Docker has. It will just list out all those things for you. And you can also see the version of Docker. by using like QC version of Java. So you click on it, it will tell the Docker version. Oh, okay. It is not telling. Just give me a moment. I guess there is something. Yeah. So it's a double hyphen here. You see Docker version 28.1.1 build is this one has been installed in system. That means Docker is installed. So this is how you can install a Docker CLI. So you can check what all containers are running by typing docker ps, but I'm not going to go through all the commands of whatever, the important commands of Docker. But for now, you have Docker installed, you have Docker CLI installed. So this is how you can do the installation of the Docker. Well, that's it for now, and we'll see you in next video, and there we will go more deeper into it. We will see how we can get into the Docker shell, or how we can mount the containers. I have all those agenda in place, but till then let's catch up in next video. Thank you. Wish you a good day.